Hi, I'm Laurent from Storik. I'm here at the Bike Shed 2018. A great show, great event. It's the second year I'm here, but this time with a bit more space. We're doing some cracking work here. I've got my friend and colleague Stuart is here helping us doing some metal shaping and showing our craft to people here to show that it's all handmade and bespoke, which is exactly what Storik is about. It's about custom motorcycles for people who know about quality and want something unique and really special. We make motorcycle parts like this fairing. It's entirely handmade, thin aluminium, has to be hand bitten with simple hand tools. This is a really nice old vintage 1960s design, which could be fitted to all sorts of machines. On the other side, the background, you could see we've got a few samples of our work. So we've got original Ducati 1970s 750S fuel tank, and all the process work you see on the sides, or wire frame, wooden frame, etc. we use to manufacture the tanks. In the middle we've got our little workstation, so we're trying to keep it as compact as possible. We're doing all sort of demonstration using those machines being kindly lent to us by Baileigh Industrial. You can see right on this side we've got some amazing leather work which is made by our master leathersmith Jun Takakuda. Amazing guy, talented craftsman. He makes our seats, aprons and everything. Over here we've got the Baileigh Industrial machinery which we've been using over the weekend to demonstrate some sheet metal techniques. And then right at the entrance of our stand we've got our personal bike. This is a Triumph Rafale, which means in French a gust of wind, which is based on a 1930s Art Deco design. Very streamlined, stretched curves, entirely handmade and modified. The entire bodywork is made of aluminium, brushed aluminium, no filler. Very little paint. It's just to really showcase our skills and metalwork. It's a unique design and it's a 1970s cafe racer. Attention to detail again. Every single item has been reworked and done by hand using traditional techniques and methods. And then again the seats, lovely seats, leatherwork made by our friend Jun Takakuda, who made this cracking leatherwork. And then on the other side we've got this cracking machine. This is a really good Bimota. This is a DB1 motorcycle turned into a cafe racer using a 900 SS frame. It has a bespoke bodywork. I've made all the metal work, modified the frame and done the fuel tank, the seat and all sort of accessories. It's a project which is in collaboration with Made in Italy Motorcycles, so we work together, combine our efforts to produce this bike. We've got this cracking paint work here, which is a two-tone red color, matte and gloss, which gives it so much depth. This is the first one we're doing it. The first time we're doing this kind of paint scheme, and it works so beautifully. It has all the best components from the 1980s and 90s, endurance racing, sports and braking system. Very rare components that you can't, very hard to find. And this is it. So this is what Storik is about, really. It's about custom motorcycles, top quality metalwork, and it's also about sharing our passion about motorcycles. We're here today. We had an amazing feedback from the public coming to see our craft. The day is not over. We're going to carry on, make some more noise, and I hope you all come and see us making some metalwork.